Yo, what's going on, guys? Today, Swift has sent over the SW320 microscope. Supposedly, this can go all the way up to 5000x, so I'm pretty excited to test it out. There's also a little phone holder that can allow your camera to take pictures through the scope. So let's see what comes in the case, all the accessories and everything, and then we'll set it up and do some quick testing. All right, this is quite the big case here, and I've already checked out some of the stuff, but let's just go ahead and start unboxing kind of all of it here. There's a bunch, oops, you want to be careful dropping stuff. There's a bunch of different attachments. So like you can see right here, this is 18 millimeter. So I'm just going to take all these out. Here is a 2X. I am not the most familiar with microscopes, guys, so bear with me for sure. Let's see what this one is. 2X as well. I'm wondering if any of those are the actual eyepieces itself. But let's go ahead and actually pull out the main scope. So here it is. Has a nice stand, feels heavy duty, and then you can see you are able to rotate between a variety of heads, has the little pieces to hold whatever your sample is steady. You have, lay it on its side here, you have some adjustability in terms of the platform height to get your focus correct. Up top here, you also have some adjustability. I'm not sure exactly what that one's for just yet. Here you have your eyes that you can angle and then pop off these little caps right here. So let's continue getting this unboxed. Take this off of our lenses right here. The default ones are, we've got a 40, a 10, and a 4. And a 100. So there's 4 lenses up here, actually. That's pretty sweet. And this board can both rotate in this direction and this can go side to side. There's also a light down here that I believe you can control with this little contraption down here. You can open the lens a certain amount like that. Or you can also kind of move it further and closer with that right there. Okay, let's continue going on with what else comes in the box here. Here's this, which I guess is like maybe a carrying case for it. Not a case, but just like a cover so it's not getting dust on it. That's actually pretty smart to include one of those. What I'm looking for, oh, here we go. I was gonna say is the instruction manual. So here we have some basic instructions as well as the operation manual. This is really what we want to see. Okay. Looks like we have some lubrication for the different moving parts, a power brick, as well as a barrel plug. This is going to be for the light. A little budget flash drive. That'll be cool if it can take pictures. I'm not sure what the flash drive's for. Here we have another lens option. Ah, that might be what this is right here. You drop it down into the lens and it can get images onto here. We'll have to see what this is. Yeah, eyepiece camera. So maybe we could test getting some pictures with that. Ah, this is really cool. So this will plug into that eyepiece camera and then plug directly into your PC so you can save files directly to your computer. That's actually very handy. Then in here we have a bunch of supplies like tweezers and a bunch of other stuff. I'm not going to get into that too much. This is what I was talking about in terms of the phone holder. So somehow you screw this on and then that clamps to your phone and allows you to actually look into it. And then we have 2 more lenses right here. And that's about everything. Hold on real quick. Before you guys buy anything on Amazon again, be sure to check out my new free deal site, moderndeals.net. I built this site to highlight the best real deals on Amazon every single day. Each listing will show the actual deal versus historical prices, so you know you're actually getting real deals. You can also find exclusive limited time discount codes to drop prices even further. You can browse by all deals, today's deals, category, or search specific items. Just a reminder, it's totally free and meant to save you money, so check it out today at moderndeals.net or linked in the pinned comment in bio.